Brielle. Yes, you, Brielle. Let me see your pets.
This is Jojo, and this is Little Muffin.
Little Muffin and Jojo.
Little Muffin.
Whoa. Next.
I bet you have a pet because you're too ugly to have one.
What's your pet? This is Little Hammy, and then this is Scott.
Scott Dummy.
Scott and Hammy equals a baby Scott. They're both boys. Wait. Okay, next. Is gonna bring a dog to show and tell. What's your name? You're new to this school. My name is Jake, and this is my little dog named Muffin.
Muffin? What a muffin.
I hate you. Slaps. Ow. Ow. That hurt. Put salsa all over you. No. So, do we win?
You win
Yes.
by getting in jail.
You win by your face. Boom, boom, boom. We all just start beating up the teacher. Boom, 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 boom. So what you doing today, boy? Are you positive? Yeah. What's going on, boys? Oh, hey, Petey. What's up, Petey? Woo.
Look what I found. I found a corner of that dirty stuff.
So, Petey, what do you want to do? Let's get out of this school. I hate school. Yeah, everybody vote on Jake and Petey. Yeah, you too, Franklin. Let's get out of here. Whee!